guys, we just spin into a bonus right now. Let's see where this bonus is going to take us. Quickly, we have a balance of 200 rand, so let's see if we can unlock all of them today. So let's see if we can unlock all of them quickly. Let's see that we are left with a 28 to unlock. Okay, we are still in the first level. We have a balance of 7 rand. Sharing spell, it did a miracle for me, guys. It gave me what I deserve. For the first time I got 5 world, so it was my first time. I never got that before, and it really paid a lot. Nice. Left with 13 to go. Okay, this will unlock the first level. It is a big win indeed. It is a big win. We'll take that. $15 to go. Blue unlocked 1 right now. It's not promising, guys. It seems like it's gonna be dead, but let me not. Okay, this will help. Oh, Blue just 6 rand. Okay, it's fine. I will take it. We are on 44 rand win so far. We are down to 29 to unlock the second level. Right. Yo, guys. Okay, this will help. Definitely, this is going to help. Let's see if we can unlock the second level right now. Okay, we managed to unlock the second level, and it's a big win. We'll take that. It is a big win indeed. It is a big win. I'm happy about that, guys, that I got my first biggest win, big win. Okay, I'm still thinking about those 5 words, guys. And if you are a new member, just smash the like button and smash the subscribe button. Support the channel. And then thank you, guys. It seems like as if we might unlock this. Okay, we're on the second level. It's a big win. I will take that. I'm gonna take it. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Okay, 30 to do. Okay, seems like it's not 12. I don't think we're gonna manage here. I don't think we're gonna get in. We are okay. Let me not keep quiet. Let me keep quiet. Let me not talk too much. We are down to 5 to go. 5 to go. How many free games are we left with here? 9 free games. We must be in. Yes, baby, we are in. We managed to be in with a big win right now. Let's see how much it's going to take us. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna take it. 64 rand. I will take it. This is a home of Siren spell. What do you think about Siren spell, guys? Do you love the game? Some people don't love this game. They say this game is a scam. Some people, they are saying this game chows. But I get lucky when I play it, and I say to you, you might also get lucky when you play it. Okay, I'm gonna take it. We are down to 23 games. It is a big win again, guys. We are on 203 rand so far. Let's see how much we can grab this morning. We are grabbing the grabber. Come on, baby. Show us the power of your bonus today. Come on, come on, come on, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Show us the power of your bonus. Okay, guys, I went to a real casino. Hey, I got chowed a lot of money. Oh, I came back broke. I even wish I was just playing online, you know. Okay, it's not giving me money, guys. What's up? Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on, Siren spell. Come on. Oh, this game 200 and okay, yo. Okay, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take it. 30 rand, 60 there. I see. Okay, it is a big win. I'm gonna take it. I'm going to take it indeed. I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it. 100 oh 700 oh no 207 oh 240 250 273 rand. I'm gonna take it in my bank. 497. Can we get something decent here before our free spin ends? Okay. Ooh, 60 60 60 60. Oh yeah, I'm taking it. Let me take it. If you are a new member, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and also smash the like button. Thank you, Panthers, for watching. Thank you, Panthers, for supporting. Thank you, Panthers, for being. I think we might also be live on Sunday again, but this week I want to be live 2 times. But my live this week is going to be very short. I'm not going to make. I'm going to be straight to the point. I want to try to play with 10 rand bet and about 10 rand or between 10 to 15. So that's why it might be short. The reason part when I'm saying it might be short, I'm not saying we are going to lose it. I'm saying we might grab something quickly, then we run away. So guys, I have won